Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a model that I had for my birthday that didn't work properly, so it got sent back. And I had it about 4 weekends ago, and I haven't had a chance to review it, because I haven't been home alone. But now I can. It's this. Now, it is a late BR Princess Coronation class, 462 City of Salford, number 46257. I'm just reading it from there. You can see the name there. The number there. The British Railways crest on there. Now, this one was actually the last one built in its class, and it was built after 1948. So, people who make this up in an LMS delivery are stupid. Under the box stuff. On here we have product numbers and stuff. There's history about this specific model, I think. Yeah, here's the classification. All the drawings for this model, and it says there 2016. So this model came out 2017, I think. So it's 5 years old. But 1 year from a drawing to an actual model, it's a bit too quick. But yeah, let's just take this out of the box. Put that there. Just take that out of there. Put that there for now. And here we have the instructions to keep it maintained and keep it running well. Just like greasing, lubricating. Don't laugh at that, I beg you. Here's how to take it off. How to take off the tender. And then how to fit the brake rigging. So, quite important. That's not what we're here for. So, if I take this out of this sleeve, yeah, right. Take this bit of foam out. Here's the detail pack. Have flanged wheels for more like realism, front coupling, brake rigging, cylinder cocks. What else is there? Steps or ladders, whatever. And that's about it. Now, if I put this, no, that won't work. If I just put it there, yeah, you can see the model. And take it out very gently. Here it is. So first of all, this is my first BR model. I don't have any Mark 1 coaches to go with it, so I'll have to make do with LNER ones, but it does look very nice, very pretty. The number there, something that was very rare to find now, even on 200 quid or more models. Painted controls. Just need to do that. Glazed windows. This doesn't wobble. Now, I didn't realise they could wobble, but they can wobble, which actually helps it. So for some reason this is sort of spring-loaded. Let's just move. Hang on. Having a bit of trouble with this box thing. Right. If you look at the front, the focus. There you go. You can see, I haven't actually fitted any of the details because I can't be bothered, but you can see the front, the 46257, the route availability, in front of the running plate, and the buffers sprung. I don't know why, but I really like that feature. And unlike my mallard from last year, that video's a year old now. Wow. But yeah, so these buffers are wrong buffer. These are spring too. If you look at the back on here, you can just see some steps. Electrical sign cautions, because at this point there'd have been electric lines above you, above the trains for I can't think, for the electric trains. Now on the top, it's a seam line. Now a really cool feature that I like. The moving cab vents, the metal safety valves there, plastic whistle there. And if you look close, you can see this awful seaming line. See the double chimney. You can see these electrical warning signs again. This and the splashes look nice. Yeah. Also, the coal load, if I can get it out before the video ends, it's removable. I'm really struggling to get this out. Right, yeah, but it's removable. But yeah, that's all I have time for actually. But yeah, so I'll see you lot later. And good night. Hope you have a nice Christmas.